Welcome to the channel. Do you know what sand has to go through to become glass? Watch the full video to discover the entire process. Our journey begins with the purest silica sand, a vital component for crafting high-quality eyewear lenses. The journey to exquisite eyewear begins with the purest silica sand extracted from ancient quarries. The journey of fashion eyewear begins with the finest silica sand. The journey begins as high-purity silica travels across vast landscapes destined for optical precision. Limestone and soda ash are meticulously prepped, ensuring purity for the refining process. These raw materials converge, preparing for transformation in the searing heat of the furnace. From sand to molten brilliance, the journey towards precision eyewear begins. The journey of precision eyewear begins by meticulously refining raw materials. Robotic precision ensures every batch is perfectly balanced for superior optical clarity. The meticulously blended raw materials are now ready for the furnace, where intense heat transforms them. From fiery depths, the molten glass is carefully formed into initial blanks ready for shaping. The journey begins as raw materials are precisely blended, destined for ultimate clarity. Through automated systems, each particle is transported, ensuring peak efficiency. Towards intense heat, the blend moves poised for transformation. In the heart of the factory, colossal furnaces begin the journey of transforming raw materials. An automated chute precisely delivers the prepared mixture into the furnace's fiery depths. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The raw materials are transformed into a brilliant glowing liquid, reaching ultimate purity. The molten glass is carefully directed toward the next stage of cooling and shaping. From raw materials to molten perfection, the foundation for exceptional eyewear is set. From intense heat, a pristine river of molten glass flows, setting the stage for precision eyewear. Automated systems guide the glass, ensuring its pristine quality is maintained. A river of incandescent glass flows destined for clarity. Heavy presses prepare to mold optical perfection. From raw material, perfect blanks are born. Automated systems ensure flawless optical foundations. Massive automated systems guide molten glass blanks into the cooling tunnel. Gradually, the intense heat dissipates, transforming the molten glass. Emerging from the tunnel, the perfected lens blanks are ready for shaping. Advanced automation ensures flawless lens preparation. Precision grinding sculpts the glass for perfect optical clarity. Each lens is meticulously shaped, meeting exacting standards. The synchronized ballet of machines creates optical perfection. Precision grinding begins shaping raw glass into optical perfection with advanced CNC technology. Each lens is meticulously shaped to exact optical specifications, ensuring unparalleled visual acuity for the wearer. Computer-guided precision ensures every curve and contour is flawlessly rendered for optimal vision. From raw material to crystal clarity, each lens embodies meticulous engineering and advanced automation. The relentless power of diamond tools ensures consistency and durability, forming the foundation of exceptional eyewear. Each precisely ground lens stands ready for its next transformation, a testament to engineering excellence. Advanced automation refines each lens with meticulous precision. Robotic systems ensure every surface achieves perfect optical clarity. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The final polish reveals lenses of unparalleled optical perfection. In the Optical QC lab, every lens undergoes nanometer-level scrutiny to ensure ultimate perfection. Each lens flawlessly meets the highest optical standards, a testament to uncompromising quality. Advanced systems meticulously clean lenses, ensuring atomic purity before the next crucial step. After cleaning, lenses transition to a sterile drying phase prepared for coating. Emerging pristine, these lenses are now atomically clean, ready for advanced nanocoating applications. Automated precision ensures each lens receives its critical functional coatings. The chamber seals, creating the ideal environment for advanced nanocoatings. Within the vacuum, advanced nanolayers are meticulously applied to each precision lens. Inside specialized vacuum chambers, lenses receive nanocoatings for enhanced protection and performance. Invisible layers bond at a molecular level, providing UV protection, anti-reflective properties, and scratch resistance. Each lens gains a tailored suite of defenses against glare scratches and harmful UV rays. Through meticulous control, each lens achieves optical perfection and superior durability. From raw glass to perfected optics, precision ensures every detail meets the highest standards. Precision inspection ensures every lens meets the highest standards for optical clarity and durability. This rigorous multi-point check guarantees superior performance and flawless aesthetics. Rows of vibrant acetate sheets, the raw material for exquisite eyewear frames, fill this expansive modern stockroom. Precisely sorted and selected, these sheets move toward the next stage of fabrication. Ready for transformation, each sheet embodies the potential for innovative design. Witness the rapid, precise sculpting of eyewear frames, a marvel of modern manufacturing. This advanced technology transforms raw materials into elegant designs with unparalleled accuracy. Each frame piece is flawlessly sculpted, ready for the next stage of expert craftsmanship. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. From raw acetate to refined frame component, the journey is one of precision and technological artistry. Advanced robotics meticulously pour molten alloys, shaping the future of eyewear frames. Each intricate mold is filled with precision, laying the foundation for durable and stylish frames. Once cooled, the raw metal frames are perfectly formed, ready for the next stages of refinement. Advanced robotics meticulously handle freshly cast frames, readying them for the next stage of refinement. Precision placement is key as frames are prepared for laser trimming and deburring. Laser technology ensures every edge is flawlessly smooth while removing imperfections with unmatched speed. Automated polishing refines raw frames, preparing them for their final lustrous appearance. Hours of continuous tumbling transform rough edges into smooth, flawless surfaces. Each frame achieves a meticulous finish essential for both aesthetics and comfort. This meticulous step guarantees every frame meets the highest standards of quality and design. Witness the convergence of precision and automation on our advanced assembly line. Each component is handled with utmost care, ensuring flawless integration. The perfect fit lenses seamlessly integrate into frames. Each pair undergoes rigorous quality control, ensuring unparalleled optical integrity. Frames are precisely positioned, ready for the intricate process of hinge and temple arm attachment. Automated screwdrivers meticulously secure temple arms, ensuring durability and flawless function. The fusion of advanced robotics and meticulous design results in flawlessly assembled eyewear. The culmination of precision engineering, elegant eyewear ready for the world. Every pair undergoes meticulous final quality control. Advanced diagnostics ensure flawless optical integrity. Thousands of cycles guarantee lasting durability. Final optical verification confirms perfect clarity and power. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more.